okay, okay. Yeah. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Cooking with Jazzilulu. We're going to make Asian food because that's what I want. So I have my Brussels sprouts sitting in water and some pink Himalayan sea salt, jasmine rice, coconut milk by Goya. I have these dumplings here that I got from BJ's. I have olive oil, paprika, garlic, basil, honey, vanilla, and balsamic sauce because I'm gonna make my own dipping sauce. And I chopped up 4 cloves of garlic and some onion. I just have my water boiling here for my rice, which I have some purple onion inside and a little bit of garlic, so I'm just letting that boil. And in this pot I'm steaming some carrots, orange, yellow, and purple. And I have my seasoning in the water because I'm gonna just steam these. And so it's time for the rice to go in. Great, I'm back and I rinsed the Brussels sprouts off from the water that they were sitting in with pink Himalayan sea salt. And I just put some olive oil and then at the bottom of the pan, and then I like moved it back and forth so it could coat all the Brussels sprouts. Then I put some minced garlic that I chopped up inside, and then we have red onions and garlic powder, basil, and a little bit of Old Bay garlic and herb seasoning. So I am going to put these in the oven. So these Brussels sprouts, oh yeah, I drizzled some olive oil over the top as well. These are going to go in the oven for 20 minutes. So yeah. And so this is the coconut water that I am making the rice in, so it's nice, frothy, hot, and ready to go. So I'm gonna add the rice and I'll be back. So, all right, my rice is boiling inside the coconut water. So I put a few pieces of minced garlic inside, and this is how the carrots look. They're steaming beautifully. And the thing I love about purple carrots is it literally turns the water purple. So in here I have coconut oil and some garlic. I'm gonna put the rest of the garlic, and I'm gonna put the onions, and we are going to start frying the dumplings. All right, so the rice is almost done. The steamed carrots are done, and the dumplings, I'm just gonna turn them. So I'm just gonna grab it with my hand. So I just left the garlic in the bottom of the pan, and I have, again, like I said, some coconut oil, and I just wanna get the bottoms a little bit brown. But I don't want to turn up the heat too high. So let me just cover them with the top. Alright, so the dumplings are in there. I'm just gonna leave the top covered for like about 20 or 30 seconds. And then this is how the steamed carrots look. They look so amazing. Again, purple carrots, they make juice. So that's the reason why the other carrots turn purple, because they have a natural organic color dye in purple carrots. And it's really good for you. So those are done. Let me turn off that stove. The rice is almost done, and we're just working on the dumplings. I'll be back. All right, so I'm back, and the rice is almost done. The coconut rice almost done. And the dumplings are almost done. They look so good. And And the Brussels sprouts are almost done as well. Alright, so I took out the dumplings. Now I'm gonna make the sauce in this pan. So I'll be back. Alright, and girl, I am so proud of myself. It is finally done. Cooking with Jazzilulu. What do we got here? Coconut rice. We got the Brussels sprouts. We got the steamed carrots. And from the onion and the spices from the bottom of the Brussels sprout pan, I put in here and I made amazing yummy sauce. But my sauce is my secret. Anyway, yeah. And last but not least, the dumplings. So I'm gonna plate it up and I'll be back. All right, so this is what my lunch is looking like. OMG, do you see this? These are my dumplings with my special secret sauce. And I'm not giving my recipe to nobody. These are my Brussels sprouts. These are my organic carrots, orange, purple, and yellow. The reason why the yellow carrot has purple because purple carrots have died. And this is my coconut sticky rice. So, girl, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat. Thank you for watching.